The Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) today has filed charge sheet before the Court of Chief Justice Magistrate Kamrup Metro Guwahati, Assam against 7 accused persons in a case related to loot of arms and ammunition from 2nd India Reserve Battalion IRB Narasena under Moirang Police Station in Bisnupur district in August last year. Official sources said the CBI registered the instant case on August 24 of 2023 and took over the investigation of FIR registered on the same day of the arms loot at police station Moirang. The CBI took over the case following a notification issued by the state and subsequently by the Government of India under the Delhi Special Police Establishment DSPE Act 1946. As alleged in the FIR, on 3 August 2023, large number of armed miscreants and individuals looted around 300 arms, around 19,800 ammunitions, and around 800 types of munitions and other accessories from 2 rooms of battalion headquarter arms code inside quarter guard to IRB Narasena. Further investigation against other suspects involved in looting of arms and ammunitions and other aspects is continuing.